Unleash the power of AI to revolutionize your content creation. Introducing AIUMAN. AIUMAN is an advanced suite of AI-powered tools designed to transform the content creation process. It encompasses a wide range of capabilities, including conversational AI, content authenticity detection, AI to human content transformation, generative writing, visual content creation, voice integration, and speech-to-text transcription. Here are some of the mind-blowing features of AIUMAN. Writer AI. Seamlessly generate high-quality content, a diverse range of content, social posts, articles, and more. Conversational AI. Empowering conversations with AI. AIUMAN, your intelligent dialogue partner. Advanced chatbot uses cutting-edge AI to seamlessly adapt responses, deliver accurate information, and create more meaningful conversations. AI detector, unmasking AI. Detect whether content is human-crafted or AI-generated. AI detector uses advanced algorithms to spot AI fingerprints in text, helping you quickly distinguish between AI-generated and human-authored content for accurate assessments and greater authenticity. Imagine AI, where creativity and technology converge to redefine possibilities. AIUMAN is an artificial art generator that turns your ideas into one-of-a-kind artwork and photographs in seconds. Finally, you'll have the perfect image to go with your statement. AI to AIUMAN, transforming AI content into human-touched masterpieces. AIUMAN elevates your content with a human touch, infusing it with genuine emotion and nuance. Harness its transformative capabilities to consistently deliver captivating, high-performing content that engages and inspires your audience. Voice Cloner AI, the future of voice replication, where technology meets individuality. Leverage the power of AI to create unique, lifelike voice replicas that capture the essence of any individual. Seamlessly integrate customized voices into your content, elevating your brand's persona and forging deeper connections with your audience. Voice over AI, where technology meets the art of speech for compelling narration. Unlock the transformative power of AI-driven voice technology to bring your content to life. Seamlessly integrate custom-tailored voiceovers that captivate your audience and forge deeper connections. Transcriber AI, from voice to text, making communication seamless and simple. Unlock effortless transcription with Transcriber AI, the intelligent solution that converts your spoken words into accurate text, streamlining communication and collaboration. Leverage the power of AI to transcribe meetings, interviews, and more, freeing you to focus on the conversation rather than the note-taking. Generate more engaging, relatable, and effective AI-powered content that resonates with your audience on a deeper level in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose from the extensive library of 100+ customizable templates covering a wide range of content's needs. Step 2. Provide a simple text prompt and let AIUMAN's advanced models generate the content. Step 3. Generate, edit, and publish with AIUMAN. Craft content that connects. Refine with emotion and publish effortlessly. AIUMAN focuses on infusing the output with human-centric qualities like context awareness, conversational tone, emotional nuance, personalization, natural flow, cultural sensitivity, and content relevance. This empathetic approach sets AIUMAN apart from more traditional language models to drive deeper audience engagement and impacts. Don't settle for ordinary content creation tools. Unlock your full potential with AIUMAN. Get instant access now and transform your content strategy with the power of AI. Hit the link below to watch how easily AIUMAN platform works